Are you ready to fly through the clouds? Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones where innovation meets adventure. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or filming epic moments, the right drone can elevate your creativity like never before. Let's explore the best options available, and remember, all the links are in the description below.
The Holy Stone HS175D earns the title of Best Budget because it offers exceptional features at an accessible price point, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a reliable drone without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a drone that provides solid performance for casual flying, travel photography, or even some light videography, the HS175D is a strong contender in the budget category. The HS175D comes equipped with a 4K UHD camera, delivering sharp photos and videos, which is impressive for a drone in this price range. The camera's 120-degree wide-angle lens helps capture more of the scene, making it ideal for scenic shots. With GPS-assisted flight features, the HS175D ensures a smooth flying experience by automatically returning home if the signal is lost or the battery gets low. Plus, the package includes 2 batteries, so you get nearly 46 minutes of total flight time, plenty for practicing or capturing footage. On the downside, its camera, while offering 4K resolution, lacks a mechanical gimbal, meaning that the footage can suffer from slight jitter during windy conditions. Some users have noted that the remote control can feel slightly unresponsive at long distances, limiting its effective range. The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes the title of Best 249 grams because it packs advanced features into a drone that weighs just under 249 grams. This category is important for hobbyists and travelers because, in many countries, drones under 250 are not subject to registration or strict regulations. With a 48MP camera and a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 4 Pro offers impressive photo and video capabilities, including the ability to record 4K HDR video at 60 FPS. It's perfect for capturing smooth, detailed footage on the go. The gimbal stabilization ensures that your videos remain steady, even in light winds, making it an excellent choice for travel vlogs and aerial photography enthusiasts. One standout feature is the inclusion of DJI's omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. The Mini 4 Pro uses sensors on all sides, which helps it detect and avoid obstacles, reducing the risk of crashes. It also supports DJI's Active Track 360 degrees, allowing the drone to follow subjects from any direction, which is perfect for action shots or following a subject on the move. The drone's 43-minute flight time per charge ensures you can spend more time capturing footage without interruptions. On the other hand, the obstacle avoidance system is a great addition. It isn't flawless. It might miss smaller or thin objects like power lines. The price of the Mini 4 Pro is also on the higher end for a sub-250 drone, which could be a drawback for those looking for a budget-friendly option. The DJI Avata 2 earns the Best FPV title because it delivers an unmatched first-person view experience for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. If you've ever dreamed of flying through narrow gaps, racing through open skies, or capturing cinematic FPV shots, the Avata 2 brings those dreams to life. One of the standout features of the DJI Avata 2 is its precision control. It offers low-latency transmission at 1080p, ensuring seamless visuals and real-time response, which is critical for FPV flying. Additionally, the Avata 2 includes new obstacle sensors, which give pilots confidence when maneuvering through complex environments. The Avata 2's compact design makes it perfect for tight spaces, and with its durable build, it can handle minor crashes and still keep flying. With a lightweight 4K camera and rock-steady electronic image stabilization, it produces high-quality, shake-free footage, even during high-speed maneuvers. One downside of the DJI Avata 2 is its relatively limited battery life. Although 20 minutes may be enough for some users, intense FPV enthusiasts might find it restrictive, especially on long flights or in races. Additionally, the FPV goggles and accessories can be a bit pricey, driving up the overall cost for those just starting out in FPV flying. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro earns its place as the drone with the best camera for aerial photography and videography, thanks to its revolutionary triple camera system. This setup includes a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad main camera, a medium telephoto lens, and a 7x telephoto lens. These three cameras work together to offer unmatched versatility. Whether you need ultra-wide landscape shots, mid-range framing, or tight zoomed-in images, the Hasselblad lens captures stunning 5.1K video at 50 FPS and 20MP stills, ensuring breathtaking detail, accurate colors, and sharpness even in low-light conditions. Adding to its appeal, the Mavic 3 Pro offers an exceptional 43-minute flight time per battery and features omnidirectional obstacle detection, ensuring safe flights even in challenging environments. The O3 Plus transmission system provides a robust signal up to 15 kilometers away, allowing for smooth, real-time video feed at 1080p. DJI's intelligent flight modes, including Active Track 5.0 and Waypoint 3.0, further enhance creativity by automating complex aerial shots with ease. However, the Mavic 3 Pro is on the heavier side, which could make it less portable than other drones. Additionally, its premium price tag may not fit the budget of casual hobbyists. Let's dive into why the DJI Air 3 takes the crown as the best overall drone in this category. This drone strikes an impressive balance between advanced features, ease of use, and versatility, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. The Air 3 is the first model in DJI's Air series to feature dual cameras, one wide-angle lens for capturing sweeping landscapes, and another 3x medium telephoto lens for zooming into distant subjects. Both cameras capture stunning 48MP stills and shoot in 4K at 60 FPS with HDR, making it perfect for content creators who want top-tier visual quality. When it comes to safety and stability, the Air 3 excels with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Whether it's flying forward, backward, or to the sides, it avoids objects using DJI's Opus 5.0 system, helping pilots fly safely even in complex environments. It also includes an advanced return-to-home feature, which brings the drone back to its starting point if the signal is lost or battery runs low. And that wraps up our list of the best drones. Remember, the key to getting the most out of your drone is choosing one that fits your needs perfectly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech recommendations.